which objective should you be choosing? And it will be a totally new campaign when it and turn on testing on the campaign level. Now, here's the thing. When you're choosing Facebook ads objective, my answer is always very simple. Go for the most deepest logical action that is meaningful to your business. Like for example, if you're running an e-commerce website, I mean, the best scenario is you should go for conversion and you choose purchase event as your conversion event that you want to optimize for. Now, if you have a newer, let's say a slightly less like traffic website or e-commerce website that you don't have a lot of conversion on a daily basis or even on a monthly basis, you can start with maybe landing page view. But then again, it's really a choice that you have to make, because in my opinion, I would definitely go for the deepest, like the purchase or the lead generated and something. So that's the thing. Now, when you are creating a split test, technically, this is a split test that is only being set up for that particular period that you're choosing for your split test. So let's say, for example, if you want to run this for 7 days, the campaign by hook or by crook will end on 7 days later, and you won't be able to reactivate this campaign, that you want to actually kind of like run it longer and all that. You can't. Towards the end of the day, let's say if you run for 7 days, the campaign will end and it will give you the winner, and you have the option to create a new campaign using the winner. That's how it works. So a split test campaign is a lifetime campaign that is designated for only that period that you are choosing. So yes, so it's a different thing. Okay, of course it's a campaign, and you do this in the campaign level. The split test is created at the campaign level. So the moment you switch off the split test, and you have all the options coming in for you to create multiple creative and stuff like that. So that's something I would just leave it over to you to experiment. But fundamentally, when it comes to objective, the second question we're looking at here is fundamentally about the objective. I would say you go for the most deepest logical action that is meaningful to your business. So that's my opinion.